New Wave Enviro 10-stage water filter system. 3 times cheaper and more compact than its predecessor, New Wave Enviro is another attractive option for your home. It's easy to connect to the faucet, it looks great on the countertop, and it fits under any sink, so this type of installation requires a conversion kit. Its 10-stage filters efficiently and effectively remove contaminants, ensuring levels below the ones accepted by EPA. Besides magnesium, chlorides, potassium, and fluorides, it also filters out trihalomethanes, hydrogen sulfide, herbicides, pesticides, PCBs, heavy metals, and especially dangerous microorganisms like giardia and cryptosporidium. The manufacturer recommends replacing the filter every 1,500 gallons approximately once a year for a family of 4. All materials have NSF and/or Gold Seal Association certified and are bacteriostatic. The only weakness this water filter has is the lack of alkaline water filtered. However, its low price, its certifications, and its excellent user feedback should definitely compensate for that and make it a safe, worthy acquisition.